All right, my light just died. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find y'all another light. All right, so that's the one up top. All right, so that just all right, there feels like another screw there. All right, I got some extra light to see what's going on. All right, it doesn't feel like another bolt is there, so we should be good. So now I'm just gonna take the rest of use the 7 and take all the bolts off on the bottom of the bumper, and then we're just gonna do it all the way till we get to the other side. And once we get to the other side, then we're gonna do the same thing, remove the liner from here. Once we remove the liner, and then we go up top next and see if we could get the bumper off. So this one, second doesn't want to come out. Yeah, this one is just spinning. All right, looks like my other light is dead as well. It's been a while since I worked on anything in the garage. So that's probably a valid reason. All right. So on the other side, we took these 3 out. So I'm gonna just do the same thing on this side. All right, I think that is it. I think I have everything on the bottom ready to go. Now, back like on this side again, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the liner. All my lights are dead, but remember what I said about the other side where you have to, there's a bolt right up top. It's another 7. And I think once you get that one off, that should be it. All right, so that one is out. All right, cool. I'm gonna push my hand back here because I'm not 100% sure if there's another thing that I need to remove back here. So I just want to make sure so I don't break anything on her car. Yeah, it feels like there's 2 more screws there. I'll let the light charge for a while. What I'm gonna do in the meantime is pull these ones out and get everything ready. Yeah, so these up here is T15. All right, so I just gotta check the sides one more time and make sure I get all the bolts out, because the last thing I want to do is to break a bracket or something. So I'm just slowly gonna just kind of move the bumper around just to see, because it feels like there's a pin there on one side. So it looks like there should be 2 screws in there, but this side is empty, so there's no screws on this side. Switching this side is kind of empty. I don't know if I could fit. I'm trying to see if I could fit something behind it right here. Yeah, because there's the brackets there. I'm just trying to figure out what's holding on to the bracket. So this side don't have the 2 bolts, but the next side has the 2 bolts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You know, share this with your friends, your family, and guess what? The haters as well, they love us. All right, I'm gonna try the 10 to see if that's the other one for the bracket. All right, so for the bracket, I can't even get my wrench on it. I want to say it looks like there's something holding it. So this side, they didn't put no screw in it. Just gotta make sure. Yeah, so they took the screw out. Why? Alright, so there probably should be 2 more tenon in there, but they took the screw out for some unknown reason. Yeah, there's no screws on this side. So on the other side, there's probably there are 2 screws. All right. So yeah, you got 2 more screws in the bracket. So I just got one out. Trying to see if I could get the next one out. The other side, I don't see those 2 screws in the bracket. So, and this is the second one. And I kind of want to make sure I take my time still. Alright, so those two screws are out. I think I might just have to just take the bracket off. Honestly speaking. But I don't know how I'm gonna get my socket on it. Yeah, because my sockets are too long to get in between that right there. Let's see if I can find a 7 or the bumper off the bracket. Yep, that's all you gotta do. Lift the bumper off the bracket. So push up, pull out. So this side is off. Now we gotta do the next side. So push up, pull out. All right. Now, since that's done, we could slowly start pulling the bumper off. All right, so there's a little clip. All right, so there's a little clip behind here. You gotta remove that. So that's one. And then we'll move the other one from that side. So I'll just get a flat head. Just slightly push up. All right. This side comes out. Just take your time. It's not hard. And then you can just basically pull out. On that side. Alright, so now I'm just kind of like looking over to make sure everything is loose. So before I start like tugging on it really hard, I just want to make sure that everything is ready to be separated. Alright, feels like I missed something right here. Hold on. Alright, feels like that's good. Alright, so that same one that I said looks like it wasn't connected to anything. Actually, it looks like it has to come off. Alright, so we're about an hour in. Okay, so bumper is off. crash bar just basically fell off. I'm gonna bring my stand and rest the bumper on it. She doesn't have no sensor in the front, so I don't need to disconnect any sensors off the bumper. So that is good. But as y'all could see, the little absorber fell off. So, but let's keep moving. That's out the way. Now just replacing the headlights. Alright. So this just simply should go back on. Looks like it doesn't really want to stay on. Alright. Cool. So now that we have everything off, the next thing is we're gonna turn our attention to is this headlight. I can see one screw right here, one right here, that's two, and one down here. All right, so for the bracket, I was talking about the bracket earlier, but this is the screw the bolt that I was trying to get to. But what I realized, the bracket's already, it clips the bumper in, but this side didn't have no screw on both sides. So I could probably find two screws, 7mm, and put it on. All right, we're gonna take this headlight out first and put the new one in.